day everyone. So in this slide I am going to explain on experiment 1, which is basic technique in microscopy. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to handle microscope properly. Second, students should be able to obtain an accurate image from a microscope. And lastly, students should be able to accurately calculate the actual magnification of an image. For experiment 1.1, which is handling microscope properly, students should be able to handle a microscope based on the simulation video that are provided. For experiment 1.2, which is observing an image accurately, firstly, the student must place the prepared slide in the correct position on the stage of the microscope. Then, students should observe an prepared slide under 4x magnification objective lens. After that, the student should determine the position of E and determine whether it is unchanged or inverted. And lastly, student must draw prepared slide under 4x magnification. So here is an example of an prepared slide, and here are the expected image of a letter E that students should obtain. So, students have to determine which of this image is the correct one. For experiment 1.2, the student should observe 3 different colors of cross thread under 4x and 10x objective lens. Students should make sure to observe the image of the cross thread. Students should identify, draw, and label the sequence of the color of the top thread, middle thread, and bottom thread. Next, students have to observe a transparent ruler that have been prepared under 4x and 10x objective lens. After observing the ruler, students must draw. Make sure that the line of the transparent ruler are placed at the center of the focus as observed here in this slide. So here is an example image that students should observe under low power objective lens. So here is an example of the diameter that students should obtain. For experiment 1.3, which is magnification, students should calculate the actual magnification. How to calculate? Students must time the magnification power of the objective lens with the magnification power of ocular lens. So here is the example of how students should calculate the actual magnification. Magnification power of ocular lens is 10 times. While if you are using objective lens 4 times, you have to time 10 times with 4 times, and you can obtain 40 times. That is the actual magnification power.